So right here we're looking at a SDX row unit, and this particular one got a full rebuild just before last seeding season, and we changed out the pivot here and this arm. The arm comes complete with the bearing in the arm, and what that does is it solves the bearing problems and the wheel problems back here. So this is a takeoff John Deere wheel. Don't tell anyone. We put John Deere parts on a case drill, and it does work though. Back in like 2000, John Deere came out with the 1860, and they put the bearing in the arm. They put a cast wheel here with a spindle that's connected to the wheel, all cast part of it, and it really holds up well. And then the row units, they get sloppy up here on the main open arm pivot. They're not bad. I mean, they move a little, but I'll bet you it's a 1/4 inch or less at the disc. And that's, sometimes I've seen these dancing around an inch. So we're gonna mount this GoPro on here, and it'll give us a good idea of what's happening back here without having to ride on the machine. I always like to get behind the seeder and do a little digging. I know that's usually the farmer does that, but I just like to see what it's doing as well. It helps me know if stuff is working right, how deep they're going. Maybe I'll learn a little bit of their strategy, but if I know the basics, if I know what they want as the end result, the seed in the bottom of the furrow and firm down in it with good covering, loose dirt in this case. It's right on the side here. It's where we'll find beans. There's another one. So it's putting them in right at the side wall here, and they're firming in there pretty good with some loose dirt over the top. So this should come up good. What do you think?
Done on this end.
That was nice. Oh, you're done?
On this end, yeah.
Okay. I was like, that's really nice of him to drive all the way over here for us. And we were just trying to figure out if we had enough and we were ready to go or what. But no, I think we are. Thanks for your time.
Yeah, no
really
problem.
Appreciate it. That was awesome.
Come again.